welcome back to another video. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means everything to me, so let's get into the video. All right, so the first shirt, most of these are going to be shirts. I didn't get any pants, not most of these. All of these are shirts. I just needed to, get a little bit more shirts. I am still nursing, so I'm not fully the size that I was 2 summers ago. And last summer I didn't really buy much clothes because I was like, you know what, I'm not really leaving the house, so it doesn't matter. But we outside this summer, so I needed to get a couple of like shirts and stuff. So I got this one in a size large. It is so cute. There's a vibe in all of these shirts of my sarcasticness. So yeah. Moms don't need advice. We just need coffee. Who can relate? Leave a thumbs up. Who can relate? But I love the way these shirts feel. So I really want to get more now. I love graphic tees for one. So this is like perfect for me. So let's go ahead and try this one on. Nice. I like it. Simple. Nothing crazy. But I really like it. Fits nice and comfortable. All right, so now I got this one, and honestly I am so happy I got this one in a large, because it's technically supposed to be like a crop top, and since I'm a short, it fits perfect. Yeah, so like my medium shirts, actually right now all my medium shirts that I wear before having my daughter honestly fit me. They just don't fit me there, since I am still nursing. So yeah, I needed to get some larges. But yeah guys, I really love tie-dye. I've made some myself, but I don't got time for that right now. But I really like how this looks on. I did not realize that this shirt is technically a crop top. So I got it in large. Good thing, because it's supposed to be a crop top. And since your girl short, I am 4'11", guys, and I want to say I weigh between 140 150 currently. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got a size large, because it actually fits kind of cute, and I like it because it's loose where it needs to be loose, and it still covers nicely. So I do like it. This one is in a large as well. I wish this one was a little bit longer. I feel like it's a very small large. I would say it's a good, honestly, it looks like it's a medium on. Oops. So I should have just got an extra large just for my personal comfort, but I love like the like crisscross pattern on it, and the texture honestly feels a little bit warm, so hopefully it's not too hot for the summer. This is definitely a more going out bag. It is a teeny tiny bit tighter than I would like it right now, but it doesn't look bad. I do not hate it, but it's cute. It would probably be cuter with like a push-up bra. Currently wearing a mommy bra, so it's cute though. I do like it. I really like it up here. I love shirts like this. Like, this is totally my jam. All right, this is such up my alley. Black, let's do this. Black and red, my favorite colors. And it's this one, and I got a large as well, I believe. Yes. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. Let's try this on. All right, so this one's definitely a little tighter, but also it's more of a flexible material, so I do really like that. I am wearing a nursing bra, so obviously it's not gonna look so cute here. I'll have to wear definitely like a normal push-up bra, or like the, I don't know, bandos, what are those called? The ones that are just like that. I should probably put a proper bra for this video, but it's okay. I'm gonna nurse my baby in a little bit anyways. But yeah, I do like it as well. It makes me feel more confident. I mean, it might just be because it's black and I love black, so yeah, I do like the shirt. All right guys, I love graphic oversized tees, but Priscilla here didn't learn from the last time she made a SHEIN order and got a medium, and forgot that oversized ones need to be a small for her little still little frame, because even though I gained weight does not mean that I'm taller. So I got this one. I love my husband, but sometimes I want to square up. Like every single one of you want to square up with your husband at some point. Love my man to death, but sometimes I'm like, did you really just not do that? Oh, we just leaving that there. Okay. Y'all felt that a couple times. So I got this one. Honestly, it probably fits him. So let me just go ahead and show you. Alright, so I guess I didn't learn from the last time I got some oversized shirts from SHEIN. So, I mean, it's hella oversized, which is what I wanted. But I look like I'm wearing my husband's shirt. But yeah, I definitely should have got a small instead of a medium. I mean, I could always, like, you know, do this. But I didn't learn. But it's okay. I still love it and I still gonna hella wear it. But yeah, just so that you know, if you a shorty like me, they kind of swim a little. All right, so then this one I actually had my husband pick out the color for, but it's kind of out of my comfort zone. The actual, like, I guess you could say the actual layout of the shirt, but it's a tank top, but it's so pretty. I love tie-dye. Again, I said that already. Let's try this on. All right, so my husband picked out this color scheme. I had this one, or like I think it was like a pink one. He really liked this one. It's okay, it's cute. I love that it's comfortable. I don't feel like I can't breathe. Most of these from SHEIN materials actually really, I feel really good, like mom friendly. I feel like I'm showing you my pants, but I actually think these pants are from SHEIN too, but still, not from this out. But I do like it though. And my second favorite shirt, again, I should have got it in a small, but it's okay. And it's this one. I've been having this honestly in my cart on SHEIN for months. It's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine. You know when it's not fine and everything's fine. Everything's fine, it's cool. That was me the entire Florida trip last year. But yeah, let's go enjoy this on. I am like really too much coffee in my body today. All right, this is another oversized shirt. I'm fine, everything's fine. Honestly, maybe it's just also because it's black, and you know, black is my favorite color. I like this one a little bit more, and I feel like I could wear it with like some shorts. Oh, baby. I could wear it with some shorts, and I would feel really good in this. So I do really like this fit. I don't know, maybe it's just that it's kind of like a little thinner. I think it's because it's black. Let me quit playing. You guys, this is my favorite shirt. Super mom, super wife, super tired, y'all. But it fits absolutely perfect on me. I love the texture. It feels really good. I really like the shirt. Let's try it out. Love. So basic, but I love it. This is like me. Super mom, super wife, super tired. All right, and then this one, I really hope it looks really good with a different kind of bra that I tried it on with, but it's so pretty. I love that it's like gold right here. I really want to see, I might get the orange one just to get the orange one. But I think I'm gonna size this up a size. This is a large. I think I'm gonna get an extra large just because of the length. I want it to be a little bit longer. All these brands and companies need to stop making crop tops, because no, not everybody wants to wear a crop top all the time. Not everybody a size 0. Even if I wasn't a size 0, like I literally, even before I had my daughter, I didn't always wear crop tops. But I had a C-section, so you cut in the area where I don't want it to show. But yeah, I really want this in a bigger size just because I wanted to cover my little pouch. I absolutely love the color of this shirt. Again, I'll have to wear a normal bra for it. But I do like the fit of it. Again, I love this color. I actually love this color on me. I love royal blue on me. I would have to say black and royal blue are my favorite 2 colors to wear. Yeah, and eyeliner blue to match it. Yes. Anyways, I do like it though. I wish it was a teeny bit longer, just, you know, to cover this little area a little bit more, but I like it, and I kind of want to get their orange one that they have on the site as well. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super hyper because I had a lot of coffee and I need to chill. I'll probably drink gallons of water now to, you know, relax. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Everything will be linked down below, and I do not get anything from it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.